Hello everyone, in this video we will cover reflection of light on the basis of wave theory. So in this we see that Huygen proved reflection of light and after proving that light is a wave, let's see how he proved. So he have taken an xy plane and he had made an incident light. So this is our incident light. This light ray is coming like this and this is like going like this. Same, this is all light ray also coming like this and this is also going like this. So now we had made a normal. This normal we had made because we will make a wavefront, and we know already that wavefront is always perpendicular to the light ray. That's why we had made a normal, and after making normal we had made an wavefront. So our AB is the wavefront of this light ray and DC is the wavefront of this light ray, which is shown as highlighted region. This is light ray and AB and DC are the wavefronts. So now let's see that first the wavefront touches the surface xy as we had seen already, point B and then at point C. Then after that secondary wavelet would start to grow. So Huygen proved law of reflection. Let's see how. Huygen took two triangles, which is triangle BAC and triangle CDB. Let's see that the Huygen took triangle BAC and triangle CDB. So this is angle triangle BAC and this is the angle of triangle CDB. So what he saw that BC will be equal to BC if we will prove these two triangle as equal. So BC will be equal to BC, AB would be equal to DC. You can see AB would be equal to DC and our AC would be equal to DB. Our AC, this is light ray, would be equal to DB. So now let's see how he proved that angle BAC is equal to angle CDB, BC is equal to BC, AC is equal to BD and triangle ABC is equal to triangle CDB. So by this angle will also be equal, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, and by this angle I will be equal to angle R, and by this angle of incidence was proved by Huygen. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.